Sorry.
Attention all ground crew passengers, you may have your attention please. My lover nearby. Something more when you're coming. Wanted to lie on.
Oh, yeah. We have to set one on here.
A few more seconds and we'll be underwater. I mean, underway, sorry. Underwater was my last quick boat.
Where at?
I lost count. 11 close to tonight, right? Are you gonna take a seat, watch your head, watch your step? Have you guys ever seen the movie that's based off of this? No, Titanic's my favorite movie. You have to really watch it. It's a really good movie.
Daniel, look at this.
Highly recommend it. Watch your head, watch your steps, gonna take a seat.
Yes.
Make sure the little ones are sitting too. Alright, and we're out of here. Everyone turn around and goodbye to the beautiful people on the dock. Bye! We're gonna wave back to all the ugly ones on the dock. Bye! You're never gonna see them again. Alright, everyone, welcome aboard the Lovely Miss Cruise. I'm Karen, I'll be your skipper for... I appreciate you. Please remain seated. Keep your hands open, your legs inside the boat. Parents, supervise your children. Children going to supervise those crazy parents of yours. I know, just in case anyone happens to drop anything into the water, you're just going to raise your hand. And then I'm going to raise my hand. We're going to wave goodbye to it because you will never, ever see it again. Today, over here to your right, we have the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, one of the world famous archaeologists, Indiana Jones, is searching for the world's greatest treasure. I don't know why he's looking down. I'm clearly standing right here, but he'll find me eventually. Alright, over here to your left, we have this furry tiger. Everybody say, ooh. They're known for jumping up to 20 feet in the air, so it's a good thing we're only like 50 feet away, so he'll jump right over us. So sweet. Watch out for Ginger over here in the water, she'll snap. Yeah, sorry about that. Alright, looks like we're coming across some concrete evidence. So we will be seeing some elephants today. Wow, when does that all happen? Probably not. Oh, wow, look at that. It's a pool full of elephants. I didn't see that coming. This is the Indian elephant pool. We're going to take lots of pictures and lots of videos. They do have their trunks on. Anyways. Up ahead, we have a Bertha showing you how those preparing to start for ways to, you will turn into an elephant. Yeah. I know what's up with you. Just kidding, I don't shower. Up ahead in the water, we have my friends going down into the goose. Don't get us wet, get down. Anyway, up ahead, oh my god, he's coming up, everybody, duck! Goose. I feel like I should have known. I'm just kidding. I would never put you guys in any sort of danger. There's no explosions going on. Nothing crazy. It's just a really cool compliment to jungle. Nothing's gonna jump out of the water behind you. No monkeys taking over. I promise I would never ever put you in harm's way. Okay, just trust me. Keep your feet up and relax. Banana, they will go real funny really good. No, we're wearing yellow, right? Oh, okay, good, cool. Let's try to punch them off. Alright, over here we have what we call the greedy gorilla. I forget what it's on that. Anyways, if everyone looks straight at their hand, you're gonna see something very stunning, very beautiful, very breathtaking to look at. put that there. That's awesome. Alright, other head, it's gonna be the Nile River. It's gonna go for 4,000 miles. So guess what? It's gonna go on for Niles. And Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're in the bow. Yeah, you're in the bow. Good job. Alright, this is my friend Bobo over here. Bobo, say hi. Louder. Well, I taught him so well. Now sit. And sit. Good job, good job. Let's see you try to say hi too. Oh my gosh! Sorry, I'm so sorry. I did not teach him that part. Anyways, let's get out of here. That was one time the elephant. Alright, up here we have the African bumps. We're gonna see some giraffes, maybe some zebras. Oh wow, this zebra's like a little old. This is black and white. Speaking of zebras, look up ahead. Holoscore. Who lines of protecting that sleeping zebra? Oh. Wow, that zebra looks dead. Tired, they're tired. Let's send a recipe. Over here, oh my god, there's a bull over here. Look at this zebra back here, it's serving his rhino. Oh my god, it's terrible. Here, come over here, bull. Oh my god. Listen, let's see about we'll come back here, I promise. We're never coming back. You know what I think happened is I feel it's got into an argument with the rhino, but the rhino just trying to get the corner pound, so. Anyway, so I don't know exactly what hit, but the only dangerous when they're blowing bubbles are when they're winning the air. So as long as they don't see either of those things, oh, they're perfectly fine. Oh wow, what a coincidence. We were just talking about you guys, awesome things, awesome things. Okay, I believe we're in danger. Everyone cover your ears, I know how to send them. You're supposed to go down when I do that. Thank you, just like when I heard. Sorry about that. Those people are so crazy last week, they took up to 6 votes. Isn't that so crazy? Only like, 5 of them are mine. But your choices are really good, I promise. Not really. Oh wow, look up ahead, they found Skipper Phillips as well. Oh my gosh, you guys are so sweet. Oh my gosh, you look terrible. What did I do to it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's terrible. And it looks like this guy's not holding the microphone, but little does he know, it's not even reflected, so no one's gonna laugh at this stuff. Is this okay? I'll give it a little buffer. Alright, over here we have some chimps pregnant some butterflies. Aww. Those butterflies are just not what they used to be. Caterpillars. Anyways, our friends, the moment you all have been waiting for, the very reason why you came out to my boat today. I know what you're thinking. Can I get a drum roll, please? You're gonna see the world's the famous, the backside of water. Woo! Just do not try this thing at home, okay? You're gonna hit your head on the faucet. Don't ask me how I know that. Oh, sorry. Alright, my boss said that this area up here is the best for fishing. All you have to do is say the name of the fish and then call it by name attacking. So we're gonna start with the piranhas. That's the first fish I can think of. So on the count of 3, everybody yell piranha. 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, they must be sleeping. Oh wow, look at it, they come over here. Aww. They want to say happy birthday to you. That's why they come over here. Oh, they're so sweet. Oh wow, they're all over the place. Oh wow, they're magicians too. That's so crazy. Oh my gosh. I think they want to sit when they play with them. Aww. Sorry guys, one of time plans. Other hand, it looks like we have a really big snake. Wow. How many of you agree? That's a really big snake, right? How many of you think that snake is bigger than the one sitting behind the passengers in the back? Does that make sure you're paying attention? Anyways, over here, we're at Trader Sam's gift shop. Oh my gosh. Look at what the monkeys did. Oh my gosh. It doesn't look so organized in years. Everybody give the monkeys a round of applause. Straight down, monkeys, straight down. Looking away. Let me see it, let me see it. Sunday friends, our adventure is coming to an end, and so until we request your doctor, come over and complete so please make sure to keep your hands inside the boat. Now, I see that there is a birthday on the boat today, so we're gonna sing happy birthday to her. Ready? Everybody start clapping your hands like this. Clap, 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 clap. This is your birthday song. It is your